Hello everyone, installing Ubuntu in the RAID driver. I downloaded the new version of Ubuntu which is 25.10. It actually works, so it is installing the system. The rework of the majority of law based upon the messages of the composition, it will transcode the system. In time, it will have the auto foundation. The rework partition 10324 is by the fifth moon. The element designed for the protocol will restructure itself into the division of 1p for the board of the third moon. The third moon will also have the foundation of the Pora. It works. I hope this works, and I hope Windows 11 still run, otherwise I gotta reinstall it. Because this is RAID 0. I gotta pause it. So it does work. Let's see what happened to Windows 11. Restart now. So which drive did it go to? RAID 0, Unix, or somewhere? So Ubuntu boot. I'm gonna pause it. So it does work, thank God for that. I have to reinstall the driver because the monitors. Thank you. I have to test the Windows 11, so I'll pause it. I have to press F11 for to boot, the dual boot. So I hope Windows 11 is still around. Oh, it's installed in the hard, the expansion hard drive. Ah, right. It doesn't install in the RAID 0. Now I know. Should be alright. Thank you. So Windows 11 does load. I have to redo it again to see the server. The partition of the generator will say, hey, it has been completed. To complete the area of interest based upon the node of 312.1824 is by the spirit energy. The energy will reverse the mana. So I might have to reinstall Ubuntu to select the RAID driver. Thank you. Now I know. It works, but it looks alright.